So today I'm going to show you the most delicious takeout black bean tofu. It's a couple of really simple ingredients, super savory, especially over a bed of rice. So I hope you all enjoy. So I'm just frying a half a box of tofu that I've cubed up in some cornstarch and then frying it in a little bit of oil. I just like it when it has a bit of a crispy texture on the outside. But if you wanted to keep this healthier, definitely just either stick it in the air fryer or stick the tofu cubes in the oven and just crisp up the sides a little bit, and it should taste just fine. So onto the sauce. I'm gonna start off with just a little bit of oil. You don't wanna get this sauce too greasy. And then I'm gonna put in some garlic, some scallions, recipe again is all gonna be down below, and then 2 dried red chili peppers that I have deseeded. But if you like it spicy, feel free to keep that in. And then this is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Chinese fermented black beans. And if you guys have never tried it before, it is a whole ton of flavor. It is salty, it is really savory, and there's just like this really cool kind of taste about it. It really makes kind of black bean garlic sauce taste like black bean garlic sauce. And so I'm going to deglaze with just some Shaoxing rice wine. I have some soy sauce, and then that was a mixture of cornstarch and water. And you may find that if you have a big pan like mine, you might have to add a little bit more water just to get some of that sauce going. So the tofu goes in, you have your salt. If you wanted to add a pinch of white pepper, it's absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna garnish with a couple more chilies, some scallions, and yeah, this dish is ready for a bowl of rice. This has a very dreamy vibe about it, doesn't it? But I am definitely craving these black bean tofus. They are one of my favorite takeouts here in the UK, and you can easily make them at home, and definitely in a larger quantity if you want as well. as usual, I hope you all have enjoyed this little takeout special and will try making it. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!